is the commercial vehicle survey. So what is this commercial vehicle survey? Hmm. So the commercial vehicle survey usually, so that is a type of the survey which is being carried out, that is been carried out to obtain the information on the journey. So whatever the journey which is been made out by the only by the commercial vehicles, not by the any other type of the vehicles. Only for the commercial vehicle this will be carried out. So for this commercial type of the survey, so uh, whatever the vehicle which has been traveling in the road, only for the purpose of the commercial purpose. mm. So that it will be stopped, and this question, whatever the questions are there, so that will be asked for the drivers, and whatever the data which is being required, so that one it will be asked for the persons who's been driver of the commercial vehicle. So for that person, the questionnaires will be there, uh, especially the origin and the destination point of the where the commercial vehicle is been taking, so or traveling. So usually that uh, that vehicle is been interviewed, and the data should be collected. So that is what the usually commercial vehicle survey is. So that survey is being carried away only in the within the study areas, not outside the study areas. So that is the one of the important thing it has to be remembered in the commercial vehicle survey. So in this vehicle operations, so the address will be obtained. So and there they will be contacted, or there may be these whatever the commercial vehicles are there which has been traveled on particular type of the trips, there it will be collected. So the either way it can be conducted. So these vehicle operators or address may also can be obtained, and they can be contacted to that also. So these drivers are requested to whatever the questionnaires are there, that has to be written, or that can be recorded for the particulars type of the trips in the forms of the uh, forms of the trips which is been issued by the particular type of an authority. So that will be issued to the commercial vehicle owners or operators, anyone. So that will be given to the person, and it will be collected later on, personally or by post. So that is what the commercial vehicle survey. So next, we will see the other type of the survey. So I told about only the home interviews. So let me see home interviews and commercial vehicle interviews. So next, we'll see about the roadside interviews. Okay, well, this is the another. Usually they will ask what different types of the surveys, or they will ask either the roadside interviews or interviews for especially for 5 marks. So you have to answer for 5 marks. So that's why. So these are the very home interviews, so roadside interviews. So these three are very frequently they will ask. So you have to read these three very broadly. Later on, the rest of the things you can explain by a few sentences, like one or two paragraphs. That is sufficient. In the roadside interviews, it is a type of an interview that is a where in the survey is the one of the method which is being carried out in the any type of the road or a stream of the line or cardinal line. Okay, so consider a road is there, area is there, in that screen line will be there. Okay, so in this screen line, so it will be cordon, or it will be carried away in the cardinal survey. So it can be I, and this type of the interviews then either done by the directly by the interviewing the drivers of the vehicles at a selected point of the surveying. Okay, where or it may be a any type of the particular type which is which is been survey will be conducted, that will be selected either. Okay. So by using the prepaid postcards with the questionnaires on the post. Okay. Or in the, especially in these, if you say, you can say it in the, for the smaller towns within the population range of 5,000, a single circular cordon lines of the periphery, an outer periphery of the region, that is sufficient. Or the area of the population greater than 5,000, two cordon lines will be sufficient for greater than 5,000. So in any external cordon lines at the edge of the urban development, internal cordon lines of the limit will be used. So this is usually which has been generally possible to a stop and the interviews at the all the vehicles, and hence the sampling is very necessary. The number of the samples which is depend upon the number of the interviews and the traffic volume. The convenient method is to sample one on it is the fixed number of the vehicles, like every 10th, every 15th, or 15th vehicle, or 20th vehicle, 25th vehicle, like that. So number of the another sampling method is to collect the next vehicles, so as soon as the each interview is been completed. So during this type of the interviews, so other traffic flow should be interrupted, and along with the interviews there should be sufficient, should be at least one observer to record this traffic flow within the period of this interviewing. So the period and the duration of the survey is to carefully, that has to be planned, and carefully it has to be practiced, and to obtain the data of the each working day. So this each working day, so this each working day is been carried out either from Monday to Friday. So that is usually carried out from Monday to Friday. So Saturday and Sunday it has been not been collected. Usually it has been carried away during the working days. So that's about the and the duration. So what in the I told, so it is been collected during the Monday to Friday, but timing also will be there. So from morning to 9 to 5, this interview will be carried out. Practice, and this period and the duration of the survey is to be carefully planned out, and it will be practiced to obtain the data on each and every only each and every weekdays, that is Monday to Friday. So it is very necessary to frame the and the design the questions with the, in any case of the this obtaining the complete data, obtaining the about the trip and to interviews should be well trained. And whatever the surveys are being carried out for the sampling methods, the expansion factors are being necessary to calculate the total number of the trips. So these expansion of the factors will be calculated separately for the each class of the vehicles, is been different times from period to time. Thus expansion factor is called is xc divided by x. So that's about the expansion factor. What is this xc is number of the cars which is been interviewed in the particular time, where x is the number of the cars which is been counted during the time. Okay, so that's about the extension factor.